And my mental health is trash today. My mental health sucks today. My life is fine. My life is going great. I'm accomplishing a lot in my life. But on my TikTok live stream, somebody wanted to end their life, and it put me in a hard spot because it's just a live stream and I really can't help them like I wish I could. I'm not going to talk about it too much more, otherwise I'll start hyperventilating and crying, and you're not here for that. You're here for makeup, as am I. I'm here for makeup! All I wanted to do today is, I keep breathing heavy because, like, ooh, man, I'm struggling. But all I wanted to do today is call off work, lay in my bed, do nothing, accomplish nothing. I just wanted to sleep, and I just wanted to be in my bed all day. And look at me. I'm filming. I'm doing more than just doing my makeup. I'm filming, and I could let my depression win, but nah. No. I'm not gonna let my depression win, my anxiety win. So, with all that said, thanks for listening to that. We're gonna do some makeup, okay? We're gonna do some makeup, so I'm gonna zoom you in, okay? And I'm gonna start my live stream, but I thought we would get not that personal. I'm just going to conceal my little eyeballs. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see all my imperfections, and you can feel better about yourself because you don't look like me. Okay, cool. And then I'm just going to take the brush that I'm looking for. I'm just gonna take a flat brush, fluffy flat brush, I guess, and just kind of set that the tiniest bit. M433 brush, and I'm going to start with the shade Buns, I think, in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to start putting that in my crease. I'm gonna mix a little bit of Jax. I'm gonna mix a little bit of Jax in with Buns to hopefully bring out a more like reddish tone to the look. And then I'm gonna take another M433 brush that I didn't know I owned until just now, so that's kind of cool. And I'm gonna take Silk Cream in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to blend the edges up here. And I'm just gonna go back in with those shades and repeat both things that I just did. I'm just gonna add more color and then blend that out. Thank you. I'm just gonna take a flat brush with some concealer, and I'm just going to do a full cut crease. I'm just gonna tap it along the close to my lash line, and then I'm just gonna roll my eyes to get that nice little line, and then I'm gonna follow that line as like a guideline. I'm just gonna finish cutting the crease. I mean, it's kind of clean, so we'll see how this goes, but I'm going to take a JH40 brush. I'm going to dip back into Buns and Jacks, and I'm going to just blend those edges. I'm just going to take... I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner, and I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. I've been dabbling with trying different eyeliner pencils, and I've just been trying this one out. Don't know really too much how I feel about it at this moment, but I've just been giving it a fair shot. But I'm just gonna do a winged eyeliner with this look. I'm gonna dip back into Buns, I think. Buns and Jack in the Jaclyn Hill OG palette. I'm just going to dip back into those two shades, and I'm just going to start working on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the the JH40 brush. I'm going to dip into Buns primarily, and I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so then after doing that, I'm just gonna wipe that brush off, and then I'm gonna take Creamsicle from the OG Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to run that on the bottom part of the eyeshadow that we just did, just to highlight that. Okay, and this is like the final look, and I know you weren't expecting the look to be done and over with yet, and neither was I, but literally half my files wouldn't even transfer, and I'm literally so mad about it because I actually really liked this look. But this is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and hopefully my next video will be better because, like, what the heck. I love you guys so much, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Then just keep on watching. That fucking sucked. I need to take a thumbnail. Oh, fuck, man. Say fuck depression. Like, I look so happy, but I'm just not.